Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix wireless charging not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on charging settings and turn on fast wireless charging button. After enable fast wireless charging button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.